anti-aging, or glowing skin, I've tested and reviewed 5 of the best face creams available on Amazon right now. Stick around to find out which one fits your skin's needs and your budget. We have included links in the description. Number 1. CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream, Niacinamide, Peptide Complex, and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer for Face, 1.7 ounce, packaging may vary. CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream is designed to support your skin's natural barrier while you sleep. This fragrance-free cream features key ingredients like niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3 known to help calm the skin and even out tone. It also contains a peptide complex that supports skin renewal and improves the appearance of fine lines. One of the standout features is the inclusion of hyaluronic acid, a powerhouse hydrator that attracts and retains moisture to keep the skin plump and smooth. Combined with ceramides, which help reinforce the skin's protective barrier, this night cream targets both hydration and anti-aging in one formula. The texture is rich but non-greasy, making it suitable for dry to normal skin types. It spreads easily across the skin and absorbs gradually, leaving a nourishing finish. Though thick in consistency, it doesn't feel heavy or clog pores, making it ideal for overnight use. CeraVe's MVE delivery technology ensures that moisture is released slowly over time, providing long-lasting hydration throughout the night. This sustained delivery system makes the cream feel effective even hours after application. Dermatologist-developed and accepted by the National Eczema Association, it's especially well-suited for sensitive skin. There's no fragrance, no parabens, and no irritation after use, even for those with reactive or compromised skin barriers. Number 2. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer, Daily Moisturizer Face Cream with ceramide and niacinamide for all skin types, immediate comfort and long-lasting hydration, fragrance-free. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer is crafted to restore and protect the skin's barrier with an ultra-gentle, non-comedogenic formula. It's ideal for all skin types, especially those with sensitive or reactive skin. One of its key benefits is the quick-absorbing texture that hydrates without heaviness. The formula includes ceramide 3, essential for rebuilding and maintaining the skin's protective layer. This helps lock in moisture and prevent environmental aggressors from compromising your skin. Alongside ceramides, niacinamide works to soothe irritation, reduce redness, and even out skin tone over time. Prebiotic thermal water from La Roche-Posay is a standout ingredient, known for its calming and antioxidant-rich properties. It supports a healthy microbiome, which plays a critical role in keeping skin balanced and less prone to breakouts or inflammation. This moisturizer delivers up to 48 hours of hydration with a lightweight, creamy texture that glides on easily. It's oil-free, fragrance-free, and tested on allergy-prone skin, making it a go-to option for those who need reliable daily care without unnecessary additives. Users consistently praise it for relieving dryness and irritation caused by harsh cleansers or treatment products. It layers well under makeup or sunscreen and doesn't pill, even when used with serums or actives like retinol or vitamin C. Number 3. Zoiser X Snail Mucin 92% Face Moisturizer, 3.52 ounces, lightweight moisturizing cream for soft, glowy skin, Korean skincare, Korean moisturizer face cream. Zoiser X Snail Mucin 92% Face Moisturizer is a cult favorite Korean skincare product, designed to hydrate, repair, and enhance the skin's natural glow. It features a high concentration of snail mucin, 92%, which is known for its healing and regenerating properties. Snail mucin is rich in glycoproteins, hyaluronic acid, and zinc, making it ideal for improving skin texture, reducing dark spots, and calming redness. It helps rebuild the skin barrier and promote elasticity, giving skin a more youthful and radiant appearance over time. This moisturizer is lightweight and gel-like, absorbing quickly without feeling greasy or sticky. It works well for oily, combination, and dry skin, offering deep hydration without clogging pores or causing breakouts. It's free from parabens, artificial fragrances, and alcohol, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Cosrx is cruelty-free, and the snail mucin is ethically harvested without harming the snails, which is a point of reassurance for many users. Daily use can lead to visibly smoother and plumper skin. Users often report reduced redness, faded acne scars, and overall brighter skin tone within a few weeks. It also pairs well with other skincare steps like serums, toners, and sunscreen, integrating easily into both morning and evening routines. The 3.52-ounce jar offers more product than typical moisturizers, and a small amount goes a long way. Its jelly texture spreads evenly and locks in moisture effectively, making it a great value for long-term use. Number 4. Olay Face Moisturizer, Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream for Women, fragrance-free, hydrating, anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, firming skincare, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, amino peptides, 1.7 ounces. Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream is a powerful anti-aging moisturizer formulated to improve elasticity, firmness, and skin hydration. This fragrance-free version is especially designed for users with sensitive skin who want high-performance results without irritation. The formula includes key active ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and Olay's signature amino peptide complex. These work together to deeply hydrate, plump the skin, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid helps draw moisture into the skin, providing instant and lasting hydration. Niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3, improves skin tone, minimizes pores, and soothes inflammation. The amino peptide complex supports skin renewal and improves overall texture and firmness. Its creamy, velvety texture glides on smoothly and absorbs well, making it suitable for both day and night use. It's non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog pores, and is tested for use on all skin types, including mature or dry skin. Users often report visible improvements in skin smoothness and plumpness within a few days of use. With consistent application, the skin feels firmer, more elastic, and noticeably more hydrated. It also layers well under makeup and sunscreen without pilling or greasiness. This 1.7-ounce jar is compact but concentrated. A small scoop provides enough coverage for the entire face and neck. The rich formulation makes it especially effective for areas prone to dryness or sagging, such as around the eyes, jawline, and cheeks. Number 5. Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Face Moisturizer with SPF 25, 1.7-ounce jar, anti-aging face cream, SPF moisturizer and neck cream, anti-wrinkle lotion for dark spots, glycerin and shea butter. Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Face Moisturizer is formulated to target 3 major skin concerns: wrinkles, uneven tone, and loss of firmness. With added SPF 25, it also provides daily sun protection, making it ideal for morning use in any skincare routine. The key ingredients include hexanol technology, vitamin C, glycerin, and shea butter. Hexanol helps improve skin elasticity and firmness, while vitamin C brightens and evens out the complexion. Glycerin and shea butter offer intense hydration and nourishment. This cream has a rich, smooth consistency that spreads easily across the skin without feeling greasy. It absorbs well and leaves the skin feeling soft, hydrated, and protected. The SPF 25 shields skin from UVA/UVB rays, reducing the risk of sun damage and premature aging. It's non-comedogenic and tested by dermatologists, making it suitable for most skin types. However, those with sensitive skin should patch test first due to the inclusion of SPF and active ingredients. Many users report visible improvements in fine lines, skin texture, and tone after several weeks of consistent use. It's especially effective for mature skin looking for a daytime solution that combines hydration, anti-aging, and sun protection in one step. The 1.7-ounce jar offers a good supply for daily use, and a dime-sized amount is typically sufficient for full face application. It also works well on the neck and décolletage, areas often neglected in daily routines. All 5 face creams are linked in the description below with updated prices and more details. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Your perfect skincare match might be just one click away. See you in the next video.